What's up guys, this is Karol from Picture the World. In today's video I will show you how I approach couple portrait photography and let you see how the things look like from behind the scenes. We're at Formosa beach in Funchal on Madeira. It's a very unique place with black sand and large rock formations. We're here with Alicia and Edwin, who agreed to be our models for today.
Yeah.
Let's start with the gear. Today I will be using my Sony a7 IV, which is my go-to camera for all my professional work. This camera has a function of active focus tracking, which is allowing me to keep my subjects in focus, even when they are moving. During this kind of work, I like to use only prime lenses because of their low aperture and overall better sharpness. But having a fixed focal length also allows me to be more creative when I'm taking photos. Today I will be using the 35mm f1.4. It's a very good lens for establishing shots. The 55 f1.8, overall a great lens for all kinds of shots. And my secret weapon, the 85 f1.8, a little bit more of a compressed lens with great subject isolation. I also have a drone for today, and we will see if it's gonna make sense to use it later. One of the most important things when you're creating a photo shoot is to come prepared. Already yesterday I checked the weather and the tide conditions, so I'm sure that this spot will work for us today. I also shared a rough ideas with Alicia and Edwin, so they also know what to expect from today's photo shoot. To establish the location, I will start with some white portraits using the 35mm. As the light is still quite strong, I will put a polarizer and position Alicia and Edwin sideways to the light source. So I'm gonna keep them evenly lit. Walk towards the water, okay? And then whenever the waves come, okay, try to escape and don't get wet, okay? Can you make it like this? Yep.
I usually photograph 3 variations of each scene. A wide establishing shot to include more of the environment, a medium shot to focus on the couple while keeping some background context, and finish with a close-up to capture the details.
Now we will change the lens to 85. We on a busy beach and there are some people, but with 85 we can cut out some of the distractions from the background and have a nice compression with some of the rocks which are deep in the water. Water. Again, I tried to make a first wide shot using this focal length. It's looking still very interesting because we compressed the background a little bit. Now we're coming for a medium shot. From this side we have very cool rock formations, so now we will try to put our subject somewhere over there to use them as our background, and I will still continue taking a few shots with the 85 and then switch the lens. Yeah, this is great. This is way better. Okay. Alicia has this nice light on this side. Okay, let's change the lens to 55. We didn't use it yet, and see what we can get with a different focal length. Same like before, we set the scene. Now we're gonna start with a wide, then medium, and then we're gonna come closer to finish with a tight close-up. Okay, this is a very nice shot. This is my favorite. What do you think about taking Alicia on your arms and like leaning her a little bit like this? I love it. This is amazing. Okay, keep it like this. Okay, the light got so much better now, so I can actually shift and shoot a little bit more towards the light while having the polarizing filter. I have a nice glow behind them. The effects are very cool. Fantastic day for photo shoot on the beach. So from this side, and maybe you can lean on Edwin's shoulder like this. Guys, can you turn a little bit this way? It's always very important to pay attention to the light on faces. So now we turn a little bit more so the sun can lead the faces evenly. Okay, 2 more steps back. I'm using the 85, so it's a tight composition, but you can really play with this focal length. It's very fun. Okay, let's switch now to 55. We're gonna get them walking towards me. It's super important to change lenses, or even like if you feel stuck a little bit, changing the lens can, you know, just unlock you and you'll feel inspired again. One of the most important things when you photograph people is the communication. I see sometimes photographers who photograph a couple is posing in a beautiful landscape, and after taking photos the photographer just turns back and checks what he got. And he's leaving the couple awkwardly standing in the same pose for a little bit too long. So never be this person and always communicate. Tell when they're doing a good job fix something when you feel it's going off, and you will get some great results only with communication. Yes, yes. Very good, let's go. So it's almost sunset, we're almost done. So let's take a couple less shots. Maybe I can have you guys here on the rocks. Very nice, it's already sunset, so we have this soft backlight.
As the sky turned red, we repeated some of the poses from earlier, capturing some of our best shots of the day.
You can wrap it up?
Yeah.
Awesome work. So much. Okay guys, this is a wrap up, and here we can finish today's photo shoot. But before I show you the results, we will first ask Alicia, who has professional experience in modeling, to give us some tips on how photographers can improve the communication with the model.
Okay. So, as a model, we always want to know exactly the direction or the vision that the photographer wants to go. So, it's always good to hear how they want this vision to come about with the poses and always correction. For example, we're doing a certain pose and they're always saying exactly this is how I want it, or no, try it like this. Yeah.
Yeah, this sounds very good. Okay, hope you guys will enjoy the results. Check it out.